should have brought my fishing stuff. But this lake is not big. It's small.
What is the name?
Rose Canyon.
Rose Canyon Lake. Oh, it's a small lake, but it's beautiful. Look.
I wonder if you could bring a tent right
Bring a gun?
here. Huh?
Bring a what?
Tent.
Chain? Oh, chain, yes. No, I think no.
Look.
You need a separate spouse. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Babies.
$75. We are in the mountain top.
These are the mama. There go the mama and the papa.
Is the mama and the papa?
Let's go. Try to attack.
She no wanna worry around the babies.
I know it. You see her looking at us.
Yeah.
This looks like that water in Cuba.
Is somebody here? Look there. This the
That's for
tent.
baby.
A small tent.
That's a baby, so the baby can sleep.
Oh, maybe sleep. Yeah.
See, that's the papa. That's the papa right there.
Yeah, the papa don't care about the babies.
He care about the mama.
But the mama, look the mama. She checking somebody around the babies. What the people doing? But the papa don't care, look. She checking what the baby doing. Look.
She was waiting on that last one.
Yeah.
She's looking at. Don't you even think about it.
We're not touching your babies.
Yeah.